Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. My name is Sultan Aidin Zahran, and I am a student at the Public Islamic Senior High School of 19 South Jakarta. And as I'm standing here today, I just want to say I am honored to share my thoughts and ideas with you all. But before I begin my speech, let me tell you a short story first. Now, one day I was at my friend's house. Both of us were planning to play a video game called eFootball on his PlayStation. But however, it turns out that the PlayStation was not operational due to technical issues. So instead of laying around doing nothing, we went outside to play football at his backyard. Now, after 2 hours of playing, we went back inside to take a break and cool off from the heat of the sun. Now, since we are tired but still feel a bit bored, we opened our mobile phones and scrolled through social media. And at that moment, the room was silent. No humans trying to communicate with one another. And then I started to realize social media has taken over my life and separated us. Now, let's imagine social media as a beautiful garden of roses. Roses have such beautiful and captivating colors, don't they? They have a fragrant scent that make us feel attracted to them. That goes the same to social media that draws attention from people all around the globe into one single platform. This may lead to people to feel a bit curious on who are they talking to with different backgrounds, and they will start to get to know with each other. Social media is also beneficial in many ways, such as a platform to create businesses, to share ideas, to share creativity and innovations, to support those who are unfortunate or suffer any disaster. Or maybe you can see the beauty of the world without even have to travel. So you just only look at your screen and just sit comfortably at your sofa. But ladies and gentlemen, we can also know that social media can also harm people, just like roses who have thorns on their stems, which when getting pricked can cause skin irritation and bleeding. Social media is a place where you can express your opinions with no boundaries, right? But sometimes people forget about their etiquettes. They forget about morality. Acts like spreading misinformation, cyberbullying, that may lead to the victim to suffer social anxiety, depression, or maybe the urge to commit suicide. And this is what's stopping us from forming a peaceful, prosperous, and disciplined society. Mike Tyson once quoted, "Social media made your way too comfortable without getting punched in the face for it." Now, ladies and gentlemen, we live in a world where technology develops and grows every year, including social media. Now, social media, if we use social media wisely, not only we could make a prosperous society, we can also make a society which we can work together towards a new future. But we also must limit our use and use it wisely, so we cannot hurt anyone. And let's try to spend more time with our family, because they are the ones who give us purpose, the ones that gives us love and confidence in life. Without them, we are nothing. So let's try to spend more time with them, because we don't know if they will be with us in the coming years. Okay, that's all for now. I hope my speech may be useful in your life, and I hope I will see you in another occasion. Now, see you later. Goodbye.